Now Mr. Ahmad discuss about modal auxiliary verb and with example. This is very important in English language.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mr. Ahmad. I read in class 3. My school name is Oxford International School. Hello my dear friend, how are you? Very fine by the grace of Allah. Welcome to our Sunday hot and review. I know your region terrain is for health and student. So please listen to me. I want to discuss about modal auxiliary verb. I want to discuss about modal auxiliary verb with example. Modal verb is a type of auxiliary verb. Express possibility, ability, permission, and obligation. There are 9 kinds. Number 1, may used as a polite request. For example, may I help you? Number 2, must used as a compulsory or enforcement. For example, you must do it. Number 3, might is past for may, express enforcement. For example, might is right. Number 4, shall used in a future tense as a suggestion or obligation. For example, you shall obey the rules. Number 5, should and ought to as a advice. For example, you should learn English. You ought to listen carefully. Number 6, can used in a possibility, ability, request and permission. For example, you can do it. Number 7, could used is past tense as a possibility, ability and request. For example, I could soon when I was 5 years old. Number 8, will used as a desire and determination. For example, I will accept your offer. Number 9, past. Would used as a past. For example, I would like to. Please carefully study about modal auxiliary verb. Thank you.